How far, how on a day? Emmanuel from Geekception here, and today I go to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Make we begin. Now welcome back. Now today I go to unbox this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I go also to tell you my experience after I don't use them for one day. Make we start. For the front of the box, I see S9 Plus for there. When I go back, I see some of the specs where the phone get, and it plenty well. Because na Malaysia I dey, you fit only use SIM from country where dey Southeast Asia. If you now use them for Nigeria, na one chance on a day. But if you buy the phone for Nigeria, it go work. As I dey open the box, I see say the things where Samsung package join the phone plenty well. As I dey see am so, I see say Samsung put many jara join the phone. The first thing where I see for the jara with them put na the converter from USB-C to micro USB. Another thing na USB-C to USB connector. So you will want use something like flash drive for the phone, you fit use them. Another thing na the phone charger will support fast charging. For you where they hear song well, Samsung don't kill you with this one no. Na 8kg earphones they put for here. Another thing where I see for here na USB Type-C cable. They can't put small earbuds join them in case the one where they there lost or it no fit you fit change them sharp. Another thing where I see for this box na small container wey carry wetin you fit comot your SIM card with and phone casing. E come get all the papers where you know say we no go read. So they see this S9 Plus so it makes sense die. The phone na 6.2 inches and they use AMOLED technology from Samsung. The selfie camera na 8 megapixels. For the phone left side, wetin dey there na the volume buttons and Bixby button. For the up there na SIM card and microphone dey there. For the side na the button where you go take on the phone dey there. As I turn the phone back, wetin I see na the glass back where they gum your finger after you don't hold them small. Another thing wey kill me pass for this phone be say it gets two camera. One na 12 megapixel. The other camera na same thing, but this one go take picture way dey far. For the same back, fingerprint scanner dey there. For under the phone na speaker, charging port, and where you fit plug your earphones dey. Make I no talk too much. Galaxy S9 Plus from Samsung na phone wey you need to hold before you fit understand wetin I dey tell you so. The phone dey run Android 8 wey Google call Oreo. Samsung can customize am with TouchWiz. Still can carry 64GB memory, can get 6GB of RAM wey go make the phone work fast. The 6.2-inch display carry fire for head, can still kill me join the display wey na full view. The S9 Plus gets two new stereo loudspeaker. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus carry two cameras, can get two aperture of f1.5 and f2.4, so you fit take better photo. You will like to take photo like Oga? This one na for you. This na the photos where I don't take with the phone for only one day where I don't use them. As I don't take the photo finish, the phone still gets slow motion wey be 960 frames per second. So as I don't see, I get this guy here. And then what's your name?
It is Hafiz.
Hafiz, and then I have face. As I don't see, him face just face be like carpet wey they never cut finish.
If winter ever came, just cut my hair.
Winter? Right. No, we don't need winter. This is a Hamatan. Another thing where I like where this phone they do now, this thing with them call AR emoji. Where if you turn your face to baby, you fit change them to anyhow way you want them. As I don't talk since, this phone na big phone where if you hold them for hand, you go know say you hold something. The phone not too cost, na just small money will be 320k.
Oh my God.
320k, small money. I no go believe they say now only one day I don't use this phone where I don't try to do plenty things with them. You could not imagine say I don't use them for 1 month. How it go be? They could let me know what you think. Which kind of video you now go want to see about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? Abeg comment for down there. And the first time I do this kind of video be this. So waiting you think about this kind of video, also comment for down there. And since you dey here, abeg like this video now. Like them, you know, it take a lot of effort. Also subscribe so you don't go miss future videos, and make sure say you share all these videos with your friend, and you know you tell everybody, make them watch this video. Anyways, I go catch you for next time. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye bye.